Hi, my name is Philip and I'm the Data as a Product guy. Today, I want to talk with you about how we slice data into products. To be honest, raw data by itself is overwhelming. To make it useful, we need to structure and slice into meaningful pieces, just like a chef that prepares ingredients before cooking a meal. Let me share my thoughts with you here at this point. So here, what you can see is actually like the table, and on the left side, you have like the ingredients, and that's what I just mentioned. It's all about like take like the overwhelming data that's coming in, and then try to think about what you want to like deliver at the end to your customers, and then you slice it and prepare it, and then you deliver it at the end of the day to the customer. So how do we do it? Very important for me is like, even now everyone speak about the medallion, like how you have to like go and deliver data like in raw bronze, or like even a little bit enhanced in silver, or like the ultimate data marts in gold. But that's not the way how you should slice your data products. Like data products, you should go and like slice by the value, the purpose, like by business objects, and sometimes even like by source. Well, by source, it's just like kind of a helping thing, which means like you might have like really complex sources which are like not like easy to maintain by your specialized business experts, but you kind of like want them to go and pick like the raw data, and then like with their insights and expertise build something more valuable. So for complex domains like your ERP or your CRM, which is like a big set of data, and you have like specialties within your data, like for example, if you have B-temporality or like whatever, like you need to have like CDC because it's such a huge load of data, and this is mostly something that only an expert team like a traditional DWH team can deliver. But then, like, you really have to, like, Shamak calls it like the source-driven domains. They deliver actually just like the browser output ports. This means like those browser output ports then can then be taken, like sliced by the specialized business experts, and then like linked to business objects, and then like generate data products which actually target a special audience. So for example, it's like the customer insights, the cost reduction, process efficiency, or well, even like maybe just like the golden customer profile at the end of the day. Very important is, again, please, like the data products should not be sliced by Medallion. So you can have like customer insights, which are like kind of having like a silver output port, but at the same time, a customer insight can have like a complete data mart, which would be like a golden output port, which delivers like more value to your customers. So let's dive into it and see. Hey, so what you want to do? You really want to have like products which link to a specific business goal. Also, each data product connects directly to a business goal and a decision. Because there you have a customer, you have like a clear value proposition, and you actually can like you have a clean purpose within this data product. And whether this is just like a silver output port, which is like can be like a table, or you even like manage to go and put it into like a multi-dimensional data mart. It's really like if there is a customer who is asking for that, then there's a reason why you build it, and then that's fine. So your data product can deliver those things. Really, at the end of the day, what you can have is like when you're really like your maturity raises, then you can really think about like delivering data as a service. But please, there's always like this conflict between creativity and stability. So if you like from the beginning and force too much of stability, you remove the flexibility and the chance for the users to create something really great. So just like before you really like no, okay, this is a product actually people want to buy, yeah, then don't put too much effort into like the fixation or like the corset of the data preparation. Yeah, people need to be like have flexibility, to be to have creativity, and to deliver like the most the biggest value for your customer. Yeah. So again, looking at here, you see like the overall picture. So that's actually how it works within our business. At the process stage, or like, well, as the data products, or like the source systems, yeah, normally got like delivered into a browser layer. It's called like the ingestion layer. Delivers like all the data into like a browser layer, which is actually not really sliced by value or purpose. It's actually just like how they have like the structure in the source system. Yeah, but from there, yeah, now there comes like the business expertise, the specialists, huh? And they go and slice this like raw data into like data products, which can then be delivered via silver output ports or with like gold output ports. Huh? The more you move over to the gold to the gold delivery, yeah, of course your data product or will combine multiple like data products at the end of the day, or multiple. Now actually it's like the output ports from the data product. So always think about like, hey, there's like a topic, huh, where you have something in mind, which will be like the value that this topic generates for your company, huh? And then you generate like the output ports of this specific data, which can then be used from others to like build even like more valuable insights, huh? But please don't always think like, okay, I have my browser layer, I put data products of browser in there. I have my silver layer, I put data products of silver in there. And then I've got my gold layer and I put data products of gold in there. No, actually you have like an idea in your mind, yeah, about like a topic, and then due to this topic you go and generate output ports which can then be used by others, or even like deliver something at the gold layer, where they can build a report on. But it's actually really important. Don't let the medallion be the successor or the dominator of your data products. That's very important. Hey, if you're like fine with my explanation, please give me comments or subscribe or whatever you do. And thanks for watching, guys. It's awesome that you took your time. And I'm really, really happy that you actually go and visit my channel and listen to my thoughts. So stay tuned for the next one. Thanks. Have a good evening. Bye.